I'm so hungry, I could eat an octorok.
Fingers!
I'm so hungry, I could eat an octorok.
I wonder what's for dinner.
Holy shit!
When you're really hungry.
You must die!
YouTube poop. Where there's poop, they pinch poop.
Only the rich, meaty cum of Chef Boyard
Dick.
contain the
Birds.
in you. Only the rich, meaty sauce of
Campbell's chicken noodle possibilities.
The fuck is that?
only the rich, Shirley. Only the rich, only the rich. Tame the
Birds.
Chef Boyardee. Fun, great tasting pasta